This is one of the sets where the movie Big Fish was filmed. Movie came out in 2003, directed by Tim Burton, so it was a pretty weird movie. You can see behind me right there the circle formation trees. That's props, not real trees, but they're really creepy. And then you got the shoes up here on the power line, and in the movie it panned through the trees and then into the shoes and then into the town, which is a really cool view. So we'll walk through the town and we'll check it out. It's pretty cool out here. Is there anything inside? They're just empty.
There's a whole pile of shoes here.
Oh, by the way, you can camp out here. Ha! That's cool.
Crazy that this was Mayor's house and it's like the size of our family room. So that's what the columns were. The foundation.
Mm-hmm.
The 4 pillars.
It's 4 pillars. Are those 4 pillars right there? And those stilts right there is where the house was. Now it's underwater.
That's so cool.
There are goats that live out on the island now, so I think they probably use some of these buildings for the goats to hang out in, because you can go inside, you can see like hay and like places that they would be laying down and hanging out, eating and stuff. So probably just use it for that, but pretty cool. tell you guys a secret. We haven't seen the movie.
We're going to though.
Well, we're going to now. So yeah, I'm sure that all that stuff is gonna look really cool once we actually see the movie.
Yeah, it'll make sense.
And we get to see it in relation to what we actually saw. But for those of you who have seen the movie, you should know exactly what you're looking at in our video. But we don't really know what we're looking at yet. But even if that movie set wasn't there,
It's a cool place.
it was a really cool place. Very peaceful and calm, and
Beautiful.
yeah, it looks like you can camp out there. I don't know the details on how you camp out there, but there's only a couple spots and it's probably harder to get out there and stuff like that, but I don't know. But a really cool spot if you're in Montgomery, Alabama area. It's definitely worth coming out and checking out. It was $3 a person to get in, and you could probably spend all day out there. I mean, if you brought a lunch and if you wanted to do some fishing, and I don't know the rules on fishing and stuff out there, but really cool place. It was a little chilly out and a little windy out. And the goats,
Goats were adorable.
man, the baby goats were so
Very
cool.
cute.
Yeah, jumping and frolicking and stuff. But go see the big fish, and then go see the place. We didn't even know that that was a thing until we got here, or else we would have watched the movie before we came. But yeah, well, can't always do everything in life in order.
Yeah, that'd be
So.
boring.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Video. Cool. You okay back there?
Yeah. Y'all just need to get your life together.
Listen, we need to get our life together.
It's the pot calling the kettle.
Jesus.
As Miss Reynolds would say, get your life.
Get your life right.
Get your life.
You need to get right with the Lord.
Yeah.
You need some Jesus in your life. Is what you
Y'all
need.
need Jesus.
All right. Serious.
Serious. You can't be serious.
Huh?
You
Well, I don't need to be serious.
No.
That's my personality. I think that's a wrap for Montgomery.
Oh, we got the zoo. Too.
Oh yeah, we got the zoo. It's not a wrap for Montgomery. It's not. We're staying another day. They don't know what order we're going in.
True.
And we appreciate you guys watching. Truly.
Yes.
We'll see you next time.
Why'd you say it like that?
I know, why?
Huh?
The way you said that.
You can't just say it the same way every time. You gotta change it up.
I don't think
You gotta give the people what they want.
I don't think that's what they want.
No? Okay, let me try again.
That was like weird.
Let me try again.
Serious weirdness.
Okay.
Yeah.
What am I saying again?
Bye.
Bye.
Well, bye.
Well, bye.
Bye
Anyway.
for now.
Yeah. I was saying thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We really do.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. She was born in Hawaii, so we can say
We
that
can say it.
whenever we want. We're allowed. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.